Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Solution. This is episode 2 of our Excel Beginner to Advanced series. In the last episode, we learned about the Excel interface and got familiar with the basics. Today we are diving into something every Excel user must know: how to enter data and format it like a pro. And remember, if you want to watch the complete series from start to finish, the link all the episode is right there in the descriptions and pin comment. Don't forget to check it out. Part 1: Entering data in Excel. Let's start simple. In Excel, every piece of data goes into a cell. Just click a cell and type numbers, text or dates. Press enter to move down or tab to move right. Example: column A names, column B sales, column C dates. If you need to copy same value down a column, just use Ctrl D. It saves a lot of time. Part 2: Basic formatting. Now, raw data does not look great. Let's make it clear and professional using formatting. From the Home tab, you can change font size, bold, italic, and colors. Add borders around your table. Use cell alignment to center your text. Highlight important number with a background color. This may look small, but trust me, good formatting makes your data easier to read and more professional. Part 3: Quick formatting tricks. Here are two powerful tricks beginners often miss. Number 1: Format Painter. Copy formatting from one cell and apply it anywhere else instantly. Go to the Home tab, Format Painter brush icon. Number 2: Convert Table. This is a game changer. It instantly formats your data into a structured table with filter and professional looks. So in this episode, you learn how to enter data and format it professionally. This is the foundation of working in Excel, and trust me, it will save your hours in the long run. In episode 3, we will take the next big step, learning basic formulas like sum, average, and count. That's where Excel really starts to shine. Remember, this is just the beginning of our journey. If you want to learn Excel from beginner to advanced, the full playlist is waiting for you in the descriptions and pinned comment. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Data Solution, and turn on the bell icon because you don't want to miss the next episode. See you in episode 3.